We've got Ajinkya Rahane with us. Jinx, just not your day today.
Yes, Ravi bhai, absolutely. I thought, completely overall batting, collective batting failure. As I mentioned in the toss, it was a good wicket to bat on. Not much of happening. 180, 190 on this wicket would have been really good. But as I said, collective batting failure.
Question the wicket, can you? Because the ball did come on to the bat. Yes, there was a little bit of seam movement, but you expect that at Wankhede.
Yes, absolutely. We expect that at the Wankhede Stadium. I thought, it has a very good bounce. When you're fighting against the bounce, that's what we did. Sometimes you got to use the bounce, use the pace of this wicket. We got to learn really fast from this game, as I mentioned. Couldn't do much with the ball, bowlers. I thought they were trying their best, but not much runs on the board.
Yes, if you look at your batting lineup, you need those partnerships, don't you? You needed one big partnership today to really get you on track.
Yes, I mean, we kept on losing wickets, 3-4 wickets, 4 wickets in power play, and then it was difficult to, consolidate and get that total on the board. Mentioned, you need that partnership going on, one batsman to stay till the end, get that big runs for the team. That just didn't happen tonight.
Well, tough luck today, Ajinkya. It's just one of those days. It's still early days in the tournament. Plenty of cricket left.
Absolutely, Ravi bhai.
It's time to invite Hardik Pandya, the winning captain today. Come along, Hardik. Very different from a couple of evenings ago. After Ahmedabad, how satisfying is this?
Oh, very satisfying, to win, especially at home. The way we did it, as a group, collective effort, everyone chipped in. Can't be more happy.
The conditions, it was a typical Wankhede kind of conditions. How difficult is it to pick the right team for specific conditions for you?
I mean, it's always a challenge of picking one guy here and there, because I think with our team, it's pretty sorted with the players who we are backing, and at the same point of time, the experience it has. Yeah, this wicket just offered a little more, and we just thought that Ashwini can come and bowl the way he bowled, and yeah, I mean, really, really happy for a young kid.
I wanted to ask you about him, the thinking behind throwing a young player in straight out of the leagues in Punjab on such a big stage. What did you see in him? What was the thinking?
See, first of all, it's all scouts. They picked him. They went all the scouts, MI scouts have gone all the places and picked all these young kids. For today's game, it was simply we played a practice game, and he had that zip, he had that little late swing, something off the wicket, and had a different action, and plus he was a lefty. We just thought that because of the options he has and has the good death options, we just backed him, and first of all, the way he took that wicket off Russell, was a very, very crucial wicket, and all the wickets, and especially how he started with the catch of Quinton. I think that was terrific to see a fast bowler jumping that high.
It must be a great day as captain when everything you do, including putting players in the field at specific places, goes your way.
I mean, when it goes, it goes my way, it looks good. But at the same point of time, I think the very crucial wicket, and all the wickets, and especially how he started with the catch of Quinton. I think that was terrific to see a fast bowler jumping that high.
It must be a great day as captain when everything you do, including putting players in the field at specific places, goes your way.
I mean, when it goes, it goes my way, it looks good. But at the same point of time, I think the kind of team we have a lot of young and experience combined, and on the field, I don't have to worry about who's going there. They are there. When the opportunity comes, they are there to grab it.
Must feel good to see Trent Boult, Deepak Char getting those breaks, Ryan Rickelton getting runs, and Sky getting back into form after Ahmedabad.
I mean, it's just early start, but as I mentioned earlier, it's it's a great sign for everyone to chip in, everyone to come to the party, get some confidence, and kick off the tournament for us. And I think today was the game.
I could ask you many questions, but over your left shoulder, I can see a young man waiting to come up and get his trophy, so I'll let you go, Hardik.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, there you go. And the young man I was referring to is going to pick up his Player of the Match award, Ashwini Kumar, from Mr. Deepak Sharma and Ms. Neeta Ambani, for his outstanding performance tonight. Let's welcome our Player of the Match, Ashwini Kumar. It's one of the great stories of the Tata IPL. Comes in, picks up 4 for 24. And a credit to all the scouts, he's very excited. He's got to pick up the award as well. Right, आओ अश्विनी आ जाओ. आखिर अवार्ड ले ही लिया आपने. हमारी बातचीत हुई थी मैच के बीच में
हाँ जी।
अब सोचने को थोड़ा वक्त मिला है आपको, आपको लगता है कि मैंने कुछ बड़ा हासिल किया है आज?
हाँ जी ज़रूर, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है
जरा
मेरे
माइक
लिए।
ऊपर उठाइए ताकि सब सुने।
हाँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली और पहले मैच में मैन ऑफ द मैच। मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था, मैंने सिर्फ अपना प्रोसेस करना था कि थोड़ा हो जाए बस, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
अब आपके सफर के बारे में थोड़ा और बताइए। साहिबजादा अजीत सिंह नगर,
हाँ जी।
वहां से वानखेड़े स्टेडियम,
ये तो मतलब मैं साहिबजादा अजीत सिंह नगर मेरा गांव है, एक जंजेड़ी मोहाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट पड़ती है, तो वहाँ से यहाँ तक आना जो मेहनत की है उसी का फल है, जो भगवान ने चाहा सब।
जब आपको कहा गया कि प्रैक्टिस मैच में आपने अच्छी बॉलिंग की है, आप यहाँ वानखेड़े में इस माहौल में इस क्राउड के सामने खेलने वाले हैं, तो बिल्कुल पूरी तरह कॉन्फिडेंट थे या थोड़ा अंदर कहीं लग रहा था ये कहाँ आ गया मैं?
नहीं कॉन्फिडेंट पूरा था मुझे, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा सा नर्वस होता है मैच के पहले, तो वो था कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं, तो थोड़ा था।
आपने मुझे ब्रेक में कहा था कि गांव में जरूर सारे लोग देख रहे होंगे।
हाँ जी।
अब एक काम करिएगा, ये आपका कैमरा है, वहां देख के आपके गांव के लोगों को क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो कुछ नहीं सर, बस अगले मैच जितने ही मैच मिलेंगे प्राउड फील कराऊंगा अपने गांव को।
आपके गांव में तो पंजाबी बोलते होंगे?
हाँ जी सर।
तो पंजाबी में सुनाइए।
मैं आने वाले मैचों 'ਚ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ प्राउड फील करावांगा और ते मुंबई ਨੂੰ मैच जितावांगा। इतना ही।
बहुत अच्छी कहानी है और हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि ऐसी ही चलती रहे।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।